Now let's do some of the questions. Let me show you some of the questions from our exercise. Okay. I don't know how much you are understanding, but if you are having any problem, please do consult me. I'm just always ready to explain you. Okay, let's revise now whatever we have learned. I'll do number 1 for you. Yes, number 1. Tina talks politely. What we are talking about? We are talking about Tina, subject, and this is our verb. Now, Tina is the name of a girl, one person. Okay. Then here you see we don't have any auxiliary verb, right? That means we are going to use what? What auxiliary verb? If there is not present any auxiliary verb, then we use, see, first you need to see in the sentence if there is present any auxiliary verb or modal verb. If there is not present any auxiliary verb but modal verb, then you can make the question with the modal verb. Okay. But if there is no auxiliary verb, no modal verb, then you need to use the auxiliary verb do. But based on your person. First you need to see about whom you are talking. We are talking about Tina. She is a girl. Girl means what pronoun do we use for a girl? We write she. She, that means does. So we will use does Tina talk politely. Done? Let's see what's the 2 number. Number 2. He thinks it is too hot. Too hot. Again, we are talking. See, it's now very easy for you. He is already mentioned, right? That means it is third person singular number. And this is verb, this is subject. Again, here is no auxiliary. That means what auxiliary we are going to use? We are going to use do. But as we are talking about he, and with he we don't write do, we write does. So we will write does he think, then the remaining, it is too hot. Okay. Then 3 number is very easy for you. Monkeys can climb on trees. What do you have here? You have monkeys can climb on trees. What can we write? With what shall we make the question? We have our modal verb here, can. Okay, so we will make with can. Can monkeys climb on trees? Okay. Then 4 number you can do, 5 number. Let me show you. 5 number. He is singing. This is subject, this is our auxiliary verb, and this was our modal verb. This is subject. So we will write our auxiliary first. Is he singing? Done? Now we will do 6 number. Okay, the thing which I had to say you is that you can write those sentences which are from the chapter, okay, but the exercise I will write and I will give you. This just now what we did, this one, Tina talks politely, then he thinks it is too hot, all this you don't have to write in copy. I will give when I will give the question answer together, okay. Now next one, 6. She won the game. This is in past tense. Won. Okay? And this is subject. Now, what is our subject? Our subject is she. Now, she, that means third person singular number, and won, as I said, that means it is in past tense. Now, there is no auxiliary, that means we need to use an auxiliary. What auxiliary we will use? Do, but in past tense. That means did. She. Now what is the present tense of won? Present tense of won is win the game. Question mark. Okay. Then 7 number you can do, 8 number you can do, 9, 10. I'll show one more. 15 number also you can do, 13 also you can do, 11, 12 and 14. They are similar. I will show you two more. 11 and 14 I will show you. Okay. 11 is they. See, now this is what? Third person plural, okay? They came home early. They is subject, came is verb. Came, this is in past tense. It means we'll have to write in what? Past tense. Did, they. What is the present tense of came? Come. Home early. One last, 14 number. Saurav Ganguly batted well. Yes? We are talking about Saurav Ganguly. This is our subject. Batted. This is our verb, but it is in past tense. Batted. Bats will be present tense. Batted will be past tense. Now again, the same thing. We don't have auxiliary. We have to put auxiliary. We will put auxiliary as what? Do. We will put do, but in past tense. We will put did. Saurav Ganguly. What shall we write? We will write bat. Okay? Well, understood? And these things from the exercise what we did. Tina talks politely. He thinks it is too hot. You don't have to write. I will give you. This is just I showed you how to do. Okay? So here we end our chapter. If you have any problem regarding how to do, then again I can explain you. Okay, just let me know where you are having problem, and I hope by now you have understood how to do these kinds of sentences especially, and Yes, it will be a little bit difficult for you because you have not got the tense and all that. But yeah, if you practice more, then you will be able to know it better, or you will understand it. Okay. So yeah, till then, stay safe and thank you.